Hello! In this video, I will show you how to get from the Eminönü Ferry Pier to the Kadıköy Ferry Terminal by ferry. The Eminönü Pier is always bustling with energy. You'll see plenty of locals and travelers here. Just have your Istanbul cart ready, scan it at the turnstiles, and you're all set for the boarding area. Boarding can get busy before sunset as everyone wants the best spot. Don't worry if it looks crowded, there's plenty of seating both inside and on the deck. And we're off! Watching Eminönü slowly shrink into the distance is a classic Istanbul moment. There's something magical about leaving the historic peninsula behind as we head towards the Asian side of the city. The Bosphorus is the heart of Istanbul. It's the perfect time to just breathe in that salty sea air and relax. Keep an eye out for other ferries crossing our path. It's a constant dance on these waters. Look at that golden light. The sun is beginning to dip, casting a beautiful sparkle across the Marmara Sea. And of course, no ferry trip in Istanbul is complete with our noisy seagull companions following us along the way. We're cruising smoothly, and you can already see Kadikoy emerging on the horizon. It's such a vibrant neighborhood, and arriving by water really gives you the best perspective of the coastline. As we dock, the pace picks up a little. Everyone is eager to step off and enjoy the evening in Kadikoy. Follow the crowd, and in just a few steps, you'll be in the heart of this lively district. Welcome to Kadikoy! Even before the sun fully sets, this place feels alive. People love gathering here by the water to watch the horizon, relax on the benches, and simply soak in the atmosphere. It's the perfect place to unwind. If you're feeling a bit hungry, you're in luck. The area around the terminal is packed with little cafes and food stalls. It's a great spot to grab a quick snack or a tea while you explore. And there's always a soundtrack to the evening. You'll often find talented street musicians adding to the charm of the pier. As the sun finally sets, it's the perfect end to our journey. I hope this route helps you plan your own adventure in Istanbul. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.